Hello, science explorers. Today we're going to take a look into the world of changes. Everything around us is always changing, and these changes can be sorted into two major types: physical changes and chemical changes. Let's dive in and see what makes them so different. Imagine you have a piece of paper. If you cut that paper into smaller pieces, what do you have? You still have paper, right? It just looks different. That's a physical change. In a physical change, the appearance or form of something changes, but it's still the same stuff. Other examples of physical changes are melting an ice cream. It changes from a solid to a liquid, but it's still ice cream. Bending a spoon. The spoon changes its shape, but it's still a spoon. Mixing sand and water. They look different when mixed, but you still have sand and water. Now, imagine you're baking a cake. You mix flour, eggs, and sugar, and then you bake it. What comes out of the oven? A cake. You cannot turn the cake back into flour and eggs, can you? That's a chemical change. In a chemical change, something new is created. The ingredients change into something completely different. Here are some examples of chemical changes. Burning wood. The wood turns into ashes and smoke. Rusting of a nail. The nail forms a new reddish-brown substance called rust. Cooking an egg. The egg changes its texture and color. So how can we tell if a change is physical or chemical? Here are some clues. For a physical change, the substance might change its shape, size, or state, like solid, liquid, or gas, but it can usually go back to its original form. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. There might be changes in color, smell, or temperature. Sometimes bubbles or smoke are produced, and it's almost impossible or very hard to reverse the ingredients back to the original form. Physical and chemical changes are happening all around us all the time, from melting ice cream on a hot day to the leaves changing color in the fall. The world is a constantly changing place. So the next time you see something changing, put on your science glasses and ask yourself, is it just a makeover or is it a whole new creation? Thank you for watching.